Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing some brand new items that I found at the Dollar Tree. Okay, you guys, so some of these items you're gonna see, you're gonna know I am going to be doing some fun Valentine gift ideas for you guys very soon. So I wanted to pick up some items at Dollar Tree so I could create those for you guys. So the first thing that I found were these really pretty, and I think they are so cute, these little wooden frames. And I think these are great for like smaller pictures, or if you just want to give someone special something small, or if you work and you want to make your own project or you want to make your own little picture. I think these are really great. So if you have a desk at work, I just think that these would be really great for, I'm kind of up in the air with these. So I'm thinking, and I'm just going to throw this out there because if you guys want to pick these up and do something similar for somebody, just to give you like a quick little idea, I was thinking of just gluing these to even a big frame and then kind of adding these to the front, or you could do it sideways, or you can grab another one and make like a little window with picture frames. I think that'd be cute. I don't have another one, but I just kind of thought of that. So anyways, and these are cute, and I picked up 3 of them. All right, I'm actually gonna stay with the frame theme for a second. I did pick up this. This is nothing new, but I do think that these are always really great. You can customize these to whatever you like. So obviously if you have a Cricut or you want to use stickers or rub-on transfers or whatever you want, you could customize this and make this absolutely adorable. So I did pick this up. I found these as well, and these are just little wood frames. They come in a pack of 4. And I think these will be fun to use too, because you could make like magnets with these. Just really great gift ideas. Now I kind of think that's a good idea. So I better save this video or rewatch it later on so I remember what I bought everything for. I also have never seen these at my Dollar Tree. They had a bunch of different styles of these. These are also some larger wood frames. So I have found this like circle one, and I just love like the trim around it. I think these are really cool. I did pick up, I grabbed 3 of those, and I think they had another circle one. I think they had 2 circle ones, and then they had 2. I wish I like brought my camera or my phone and just to take pictures and stuff to share with you guys. So anyways, I picked up 3 of these, but I do think they had 2 different circle ones and then 2 different square. Just a little bit different, but I liked this one the best. And then I did also find these frames as well. And I just realized that these are 2 different ones. So I did grab 2, this one, and then I did grab this one. But I thought these were really cool, and you can save these for later on. Even if you grab these now and you want to do a project for Christmas, like everyone loves a good like homemade gift. Like I know that sounds cheesy, but like when my girls make me homemade gifts, like those are my favorite things. My oldest daughter is actually in shop right now, so when she brings home her shop stuff that she makes, like it is the coolest stuff. She made like a big shelf, and I mean they just make some really awesome stuff there, but like those are like my favorite gifts. They're just so awesome. All right, I've never seen acrylic boards before. I don't have a clue what to do with these. I'm gonna have to look up online. I was just gonna add some transfers or Cricut or something to these, but like how cool, like acrylic boards. Never seen them before, don't know what to do with them, never used them, but I thought they'd be pretty cool. In one of my recent videos, I did a Dollar Tree like picture frame video. Those were super fun to do, but I found more of these like chalkboard frames, and I'm assuming it is some sort of, and I mean it is a frame. They're in the frame section. I picked up 3 of these because these ones were super cool, but they had this one and then the one that I previously used in the other video, and that one was just a square one. But I thought these would be fun. I'm just not sure. They kind of, it's kind of like a vintage vibe that I'm giving, or like that I'm getting from these. So I think that I'm gonna have to do something of that sort. It's not up my crafting alley, but it's just like when I looked at these, I'm like, this looks like something you'd see in like a haunted house or something. That's just the vibe I was getting from these. Okay, next up, these for some reason were in the Valentine section. I don't know why, because they are not Valentine's, but maybe they just came out. But I found these really cute signs. It's just decor, so I'm not sure if it's a sign or if it's just something that you set on the table as like a little tray. But I did pick up 2 of these oval shaped ones. I really liked those. And then they also had some circle ones. It's just in like a darker brown. But I thought these were so neat. Obviously, I think I'm losing my voice or something because it keeps like going in and out, and this video just might take forever because of that reason. But yeah, so I really liked these. And like I said, they're 2 different wood colors. I didn't see any other ones. So let me know if you guys have found any other ones, because I think these will make some really fun DIYs. I just really enjoy when I find some good wood at Dollar Tree. Also, I found these really cute hearts, and I just don't know if I want to use them as Valentine decor. They were in the Valentine section, so I'm assuming, but they come out with like that new decor and like bath salts or bath bombs, and then they kind of like put it all, they want you to buy it for gifts for Valentine's Day, which is super smart, right? But I don't know if I want to use these for Valentine's Day, if I just want to make regular decor. So if you guys find these, what are you going to do with them? I need to know in the comments below. Because I've seen people just like kind of set them on a shelf, which is super cute, because they're really cute. But, I mean, what else can we do with them? I have an idea, but I want to know what you guys would do with them. I also grabbed wooden dowels. They come in a 4-pack for $1.25. I've noticed wooden dowels have gone up at my Walmart. Now, I think this is still probably not the best deal, but they were like 39 cents at Walmart once upon a time, and I think they're like all $1 something for the larger ones. Like I said, still a good deal, but it's sad to see some of those things go up in price. Not a lot, just a tiny bit. Okay, is this like a viral thing that people need to find? I found this. They had a ton of these. So my Dollar Tree just must not be a cool thing, but I mean, it's not a Stanley. The quality is definitely not Stanley, but I think this is really great just for on the go thing. Plus it's gonna be in one of my gift videos, so make sure you check that out. And for $1.25, and it's red for Valentine's Day. Like, how cute is that? Okay, and the other items that I'm sharing will also be in I like to say they're gonna be in all the gift idea videos, but like, I just can't commit that. I just can't commit that far. Even if it's like 2 days away and I start these today or tomorrow or the next day, like I can't commit to everything. But I did grab these. And if you have seen the really fun videos where they fill them up and put them with candy, I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. But I just want to try some of these for myself. Like, as much as I, love being creative and coming up with my own things, sometimes I see things online, just like scrolling, like when you are on like Instagram Reels or Facebook Shorts, you see things, you're like, oh my God, that's cool. And then you never go back to that video, or you don't know who made it, or you have no idea, but you've seen it and you're like, that's cool. So I kind of just want to make some of those things that I thought were cool that I could make for my own kids. So yeah, I'm just kind of I'm ranting now. I also grabbed this. This is just in the birthday section. It wasn't Valentine's Day, so was these. These were just in the birthday section as well. So yeah, so it's nothing like, it's nothing seasonal. You can probably get them all the time. It's just more fun when you buy them for seasonal holidays, or Valentine's is a holiday, kind of. Anyways, last couple things is I found this little basket. This is a pretty good size basket, and I love like the little scalloped hearts around it. I think this is just really cute, so I grabbed that. And then the last thing I did was I grabbed a candy jar, and if you guys haven't seen my last Valentine's video, I'll link it down below for you guys, because I did use one of these for a project in there, and it was super fun to make. All right, you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love you guys to stick around and subscribe. And that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.